Peace, what it is. I just got a quick thought. I really ain't got no real topic. You know what I'm saying? I'm sitting in my car outside my house. And the little neighbor kid across the street, he probably like, I don't know, 17, 16, 17, 18, I don't know. He out in the middle of the street dancing and shit, right? I'm thinking like, he doing like a TikTok video or some shit? Cause what the hell is at 38 years old, I feel like I'm the old cat that's like like Cat Williams was like the old cat like leaning out the door like what did you know what I'm saying? I'm looking at this little guy like why are you dancing in the middle of the goddamn street? And then he rapping out loud and shit. And I'm just like, I start thinking like, did I used to do that when I was a teenager? I was like, damn, you know what? I used to have a CD Walkman. Do you remember the Sony Walkmans? And I got to thinking, like, these youngsters these days don't know shit about that, having to walk down the street with a CD Walkman, and you got to kind of step lightly so that hoe don't skip. I was the only nigga, I was the only one in the hood with a CD burner. So everybody came to me for the music, you know what I'm saying? And I had Napster. Anybody in the 90s, late 90s know Napster, early 2000s? Man, boy, I was winning. I had all the music. Everybody was coming to me for the music. So I don't know. This young cat just got me thinking, I guess, about the old times or whatever. But I just thinking like I couldn't even do that back in the day, because if I got the grooving to my music, I should be skipping like a had to stop and shit. I was like, damn, these youngsters don't even know nothing about that. And they got little speakers and shit. We ain't had no little speakers. You could bring the radio outside, be outside on some 80s shit like that. But anyway, I don't know. I don't know what this video ain't got no topic. I ain't on no you know what? Something is interesting. It's always something interesting in astrology. Tomorrow, the sun will be on my Pluto, and I was thinking, and I think about astrology all the time. I was thinking like, something's going to happen to me tomorrow, or because the sun is on my Pluto. Something. It's and you say, when I say something will happen, I don't necessarily mean like I don't know, I'm gonna twist my ankle or some shit. It ain't like that. It's just like something consciously will happen that if you're not paying attention, then it'll go over your head. You're not paying attention. But when you're supposed to be conscious, you're supposed to be paying attention to the little things, the subtleties, the coincidences. I know something's gonna happen tomorrow, and for me to just so anyway, I ain't finna go into that. But that is interesting, considering I just had an idea to do a video about nostalgia and shit, when I don't know, it ain't got nothing to do with nothing. But them transits, the astrology is transits, man. Always studying the chart. The sun just hit Scorpio, so look at me. I'm well, I'm doing my spill into the metaphysics, because that's what I do, and my way of doing it is via video, since I have the urge to do the video about nothing, essentially. Anyway, yeah, so peace and love. I just wanted to throw that out there. You youngsters got it made today, man. You can walk and bop and groove and listen to your music. We couldn't even do that shit. You had to walk with your shit like this. I remember having to you have it at school and shit. You have to have it in your backpack, and you have to I was thinking you have to, like, you'll be playing your music in your headphones. They would go straight headphone with the wire, and you couldn't have your headphones on, and so you would put your headphones on in your backpack and lay on your backpack like this, just so you could listen to your music. Okay, it's crazy how the world has changed, man. Like it amazes me. But anyway, a retrospect. Take it easy. Peace.